It's time for a triple play. 3 stocks that we're watching in the final half hour of trading. We've got Beyond Meat, Cineworld, and AMC. Kicking it off with Beyond Meat. It's a top trending ticker. It's been the case all day here on Yahoo Finance. We're looking at a gain of just about 11%, the biggest single day gain that we have seen now in quite some time. The rally is because of its Q4 sales beat and also that smaller than expected loss. Now, despite the pop that we're seeing in shares today, analysts aren't fully on board with Beyond Meat going forward. Rather, the roundup on the street seems to be cautiously optimistic at best. So there are still no buy ratings on Beyond Meat right now. Some analysts, though, did raise their price targets following these results. Bernstein upped its price target to $18 from $10, while UBS raised its target to $17 from $12. Piper Sandler remaining bearish, noting that the sales of its jerky business, which it recently launched, is hiding a greater acceleration in sales here to the downside across the rest of the company's portfolio. Obviously, a cause for concern here. We know Beyond Meat has been a pretty volatile stock as of late. The pop today, though, and the results that we just got, not enough to convince many on the street that this is a stock to buy at this point.
I'm surprised there's an 11% gain because let's not forget year over year decline in revenue of 20%. Yeah. So this is a company that is not growing. I will say anecdotally, when I do go to my grocery store, I see the Beyond Meat packaging, but in terms of the excitement around alternative meat products, that has definitely faded over the past few months. Definitely not what we saw a few years ago. So I think this is a sector that saw insane amounts of growth, and now it's not getting the same attention. And I wonder if that's going to really hurt them when they're trying to do these other partnerships.
Yeah, some of the analysts that remain bullish on Beyond Meat, quite frankly, might just be high on sodium right now, because if there's anything that you look at within this earnings report, which was lackluster, sure, it beat on some of the expectations that were already out there, but look across the category. It's a Beyond Meat company, a company that has meat in its name, that, yeah, saw slumping sales in its meat as well, in every single category regionally. And then the beef jerky, even, if you're looking at the upside there, guess what? They just restructured that business. Yeah. So all of that considered, I am not certain which consumers are going to continue to opt to pay higher for a Beyond Meat offering, whether that's for the fridge or whether it's in a restaurant experience, especially as they're tightening some of their own costs.
Yeah, and also just the competition, the sheer competition in this space has been heating up. So many traditional players getting in to that line of business, of meat alternatives there. So it's a tough road ahead for Beyond Meat.
Yeah, and if I'm going for jerky, I want the real thing. I don't want any fake meat. I want the real thing.
Some of the options are good. I'll give you that.
That's true.